What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse, man. Another beautiful evening, another beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? Another great day to be independent, self-made. You know what I mean? I've been independent since about 2016. Beautiful little monarch butterflies and stuff flying around me, man. It's just good energy, good vibes around the king. You know what I mean? Look, I've been self-made since about 2016. Really more than that, cause I always hustle, but since about 2016, self-independent. Um, this year, I'm probably expected to gross over maybe $30,000 to $40,000 in sales, straight off the streets. You know what I'm saying? Just strictly on the streets alone. Um, I just want to say, man, any thoughts, any hindering thoughts you may have of thoughts of discouragement, or any thoughts of doubt or self-doubt, or anything, any feeling you may get of discouragement. Like, say for instance, you might be like today, I ain't gonna lie, like it take a lot to be consistent when you exercise, you know what I mean? Like, I could have just said, nah, I don't feel like exercising today, or easily just been lazy and not did anything, but I still got them squats in, I still got them jumping jacks in, I still got them push-ups in, I still got them leg ups in. Now I'm outside about to get some more cardio and jog, you know what I'm saying? So it's just about psyching yourself out. It's just about blocking out all the negativity and the lack and the things that's holding yourself back from being your greatest, truest potential of yourself. So it's just about discipline, like self-discipline, you know what I'm saying? Putting it on the agenda list to be the greatest person you can be, you know what I'm saying? So, like, related to, you know, just getting exercise in or whatever. So, just like anything else, it's just about consistency, discipline, psyching yourself out. Whenever your body's saying, nah, I don't feel like doing that, then that's when you need to show action and do it, you know what I'm saying? Just feeling good about where I'm at right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm learning so much, I'm growing so much. I can tell because of the amount of time that I'm giving towards self-development, physically, mentally, emotionally, you know, cleaning out the clutter. You know, sometimes, you know, we like to hold on to old ass shit in our house and shit like that. In order to receive new things from the universe and from God, in order to receive new things, you got to get rid of the old things. So you got to do away with the old. You got to throw a lot of stuff in the trash. You got to clean out them closets. You got to clean out from under them beds. You got to wash some things. Get rid of old clothes and old shoes and things that you might be holding on to, so you can reciprocate some of the newer things and the newer blessings and the newer lifestyle that you need in your life. You know what I'm saying? The bigger blessings that you need. A more newer you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I don't know who I'm talking to, but hopefully you understand that, you know, in order with that, what I'm saying is basically, in order for you to receive newer things and to receive the newer blessings in life, you got to get rid of the old stuff that you holding on to. You know what I'm saying? That means even forgiving people, some grudges you might be holding. You got to self-consciously forgive them in your own mindset, and then in turn, subconsciously, you know, they will what I want to say, subconsciously, they're gonna receive your forgiveness. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna reciprocate it back to you. So it's just about letting go of some of the old energy, the old lack, the old things that might be holding you back to being successful. A lot of us, we go this way, that way, you know, and we might lose focus, you know what I'm saying? But this is your time to get back focused, to get back in sync with your journey in life and the more important things in life, like self-security, like financial literacy, like, you know what I'm saying, life preservation, like taking care of your kids, you know what I'm saying, creating better and newer avenues for the future, for the youth. You know what I'm saying? We all have our time. We all have our certain message and our own life purposes that we have to fulfill. And I really feel like, in this lifetime that you're in, you don't have a lot of time to waste. You know what I'm saying? Time is of the essence. The most valuable commodity in life is time. You know what I'm saying? So we got to understand that we got to always be on a mission to betterment, to self-embetterment, to bettering yourself, to bettering the people around you. That way, it'll be an ongoing cycle of greatness and success all the time for you. You know what I mean? So, man, just take that into consideration, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't know, you know what I'm saying? They might see me in the streets, or they might see me promoting my music, and they don't know that this guy is owner of a real estate company, that I have LLCs, that I have two companies that I manage and that I own. They don't know that I have a record label that I own with an LLC that I've been building the brand up since 2016. They don't know what I'm saying, that hell, I've actually had success in real estate. Having two companies under contract within the first 2 months of me starting. They don't even understand. They don't even know. You know what I'm saying? One thing learn in life is you never judge a book by its cover. Yeah, it might look rough on the outside to some people, but really, in all honesty, that person could be just as much in a better position as you. You know what I'm saying? Not saying I'm in a better position than anyone. I never put myself above anyone, but all I'm saying is you never judge a book by its cover. The outside appearance is just the outer shell. You never know what that person has or possesses inside of them. You never know what kind of drive they have, what kind of ambition they possess. You don't know who they know. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta not be judgmental of people and their positions. All in all, just get to know people, get to understand people. You know what I'm saying? So it's just about, you know what I'm saying? It's just about, man, not being judgmental, being a people's person, building connections, networking. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm in the middle of building my credit building, me and my wife. And right now, I'm also, not only am I learning the personal side of credit, but I'm learning the business side of credit as well. How to raise my paydex, how to get those vendors, how to get those retail vendors, and how to get those cash credit cards and those good loans from my business to be able to be self-fundable, to be able to fund itself. You know what I'm saying? So that's keys to wealth. I even surprise myself sometimes. I had to buy me a vision board that I put in my room, and just to see the vision of myself wanting 100K and 25K and this and that is just mind-blowing to myself, that I want to manifest this type of money, and that I can actually see myself having this type of money already in my possession. That's really the key, man. It's just about being at peace with yourself, knowing that everything's gonna be okay, and just moving with the flow. I mean, like Jay-Z says, be the flow. Don't go with the flow, be the flow. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what lap I'm on, y'all. I think I'm like on lap, 2. This might be my second. I don't know. Yeah, I think this might be my second lap. I'm just gonna say number 2. But yeah, don't go with the flow, be the flow. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Just about building, growing, understanding that life has bigger possibilities for you. You know what I'm saying? It's never what it seems. It's never what it's what's in front of you. You know what I'm saying? It's always something bigger and greater that you're not seeing. But we limit ourselves by self-doubt, limit ourselves by low confidence, low self-esteem, and we got to change that. You know what I'm saying? We got to do better and reach higher. You know what I mean? So I just want to leave that with y'all. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. I just met a powerful guy. His name is Mr. Hennings. I plan on getting him on live. He's a motivational speaker. I ran into him selling my CDs and promoting my music, and he was getting his car washed one day, riding in them pretty Benz, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the power of networking. You never know who you run into. You know what I'm saying? That's the power of getting off your ass and getting out there and making something happen. So I was just standing in front of this store, and he was over there getting his car washed, and he happened to go in the store and come out, and I caught him coming out and chopped it up with him, and he let me know who he was: a best-selling author, motivational speaker. He owns real estate. He owns a trucking company as well, and just doing a lot of powerful things, man, for the community, man. And I hope to get him on my live and let him tell his story to you guys, and hopefully that can motivate some people out there that's trying to achieve higher heights in their life and higher heights in their career, with their whether it's in their career, whether it's in their family, in their relationships, and just trying to empower themselves. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content, if you like what you hear, man. I'm just trying to bring whatever I can to encourage, to speak some positivity to you. I want to see you be great. I want to see anybody watching me or following me or subscribe to me. I want to see you be great, and you obviously gonna be great because you listening to me. You know what I'm saying? And I aspire to be great. So like minds and like-minded people think alike. Like-minded people, we kind of you know what I'm saying? We circle ourselves around each other. So, man, I wish you the greatness. I wish you the greatest successes in life, and peace and love. I've been seeing a lot of comments. I've been seeing the comments. I've been seeing the likes. I've been seeing the love I'm getting. And I appreciate it, man. Let's keep this thing going. Like and share this video. Feel free to comment, so the algorithm can pass this thing around. And peace and love, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. 1,000.